In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Wix blog easily in just a few minutes. Whether you're looking to streamline your website or simply want to remove an outdated blog, these steps are straightforward and quick. We'll walk through the whole process together. Let's get started by heading over to the Wix website editor. If you're not already familiar, this is the platform where you can make all sorts of changes and updates to your Wix site. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Wix editor. It should take only a few moments to load. Now that we're in the editor, take a look at the left-hand side of your screen. You'll notice a series of icons that allow you to customize different parts of your website. What we're looking for here is the page icon. It resembles a small stack of pages, and by clicking on it, you'll open a panel that lists all the pages currently set up on your website. Once the page panel is open, your next step is to locate the blog page you want to delete. In most cases, your blog will be clearly labeled as blog or might have a custom name you've given it previously. Scroll through your pages until you spot the one you're intending to remove. Now direct your attention to the three dots located to the right of your blog page's title. These dots signify more options. Click on them and you'll see a drop-down menu. This menu gives you several options related to managing your page settings, but for now our focus is solely on deleting the blog page. In the drop-down menu, you'll find the delete option towards the bottom. Go ahead and click it. Wix will usually prompt you to confirm this action. Like many platforms, it wants to make sure you're absolutely certain about deleting something from your site. It's a helpful safeguard against any accidental deletions. If you're sure, confirm that you want to delete the blog. And just like that, your Wix blog page has been successfully deleted. It will no longer appear on your live website. This not only cleans up your site, but can also make navigation easier for visitors who are trying to find the most relevant content. A quick tip before we wrap up: if you ever want to add the blog back or set up a new one, Wix makes it just as easy to do so as it is to delete. So don't worry about losing that content forever if you change your mind in the future. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it made the process simple and clear. If you have any further questions or need additional tips for managing your Wix site, be sure to check out our other videos. Until next time, happy editing.